Guess who wants to wax me today? The other Niecy Poo. Y'all pray for me, please. We're going to do my underarms. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. So what are you doing first?
I'm cleansing the area to remove all the oil or deodorant that may affect the quality of the wax.
That's Auntie's baby. Girl, you give me a whole shower underneath her. Jesus. What you doing now, Felicia?
Adding powder to contain any moisture and create a barrier.
Oh, chassis to the underarms, girl. Now, y'all remember my baby not no pro, but Auntie need her underarms wax. That's right. Keep the stick perpendicular. Good. Apply some pressure. More pressure. Yeah, girl.
Oh, I ain't add enough.
That's okay. You can always go back to the wax spot and do what? Pick up more wax. And we're using Golden Allure by Sexy Smooth Wax, by the way, guys. Oh, yeah. I'm going to have some smooth underarms. Getting ready for Thanksgiving because I got a busy waxing week. I won't have time to wax myself. So why not make the Niecy Poos do it? Go ahead, girl. Just put it right. Yep, overlap it. And this is what you do, guys. If your strip is too thin, you just grab more wax to make it thicker. Look at her over there making that lip. I know y'all see my little Niecy Poo.
It's a little
yeah, it's okay. It's perfect. So, yep, just lift it up. Don't be scared. It's okay. Just go ahead. It's a string. Just don't worry about that. And pressure. Pressure. Beautiful. Let me see. Can you put the strip to the camera? Can y'all see that? Turn it to the side. Oh, child. Wait, little hairy bitch. Oh, okay. Let's keep going. All right. Yep. Hold that titty, girl. Don't be scared. You don't see my titties before. That's okay. Apply pressure. Smooth everything out. Make sure nothing's dripping. You got this. Don't freak out when you guys are waxing. As long as your strip looks complete. And if it doesn't, you know what you can do to fix it. Just grab some more wax. How's it looking to you, Kay? Looking good?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you feel like you need to add more wax, or are you confident in that?
I think I do.
Okay, so what you can do is you can take the wax that's on that stick, wipe it on the back of your glove. That way you have that stick nice and dry to give it a little lift. Is the strip dry? Okay, fast dry time. We already knew that. Don't be afraid, girl. Good. That's okay. And then pressure. Beautiful. All right, let me see that one. Ah, damn. Come closer to the camera. Y'all see that? Yeah, y'all ain't know your girl was that hairy. Okay, and now it's time to do a big cleanup. You got it? Now, if I wasn't holding the camera, obviously, I would definitely hold my boobie and help her. But these people got to learn, you know? Because wax lady shouldn't be having to wax herself when she got Niecy Poos working here. Now, she is not licensed, so I am taking this risk. I am taking the risk. But I trust my nieces. They watch enough of my videos and comment and reply to enough videos to where they know what to do now. Professional. She works hard for the money. All right, touch it and see if it's dry. How you feel? You feel confident?
Yeah, now since I did it down, that means I gotta go up with it, right?
That's correct. Now, how are you gonna pull this one? If you watch my videos, you know what kind of pull we're doing.
Stacker dagger.
Yeah, baby. Stacker dagger that. It's okay. So yeah, so now you're holding down here. So wherever you complete the strip is where you're going to remove it and hold the skin taut.
Okay.
It's okay. So no. So when that happens, now you're going to press down, and perfect. Does it work?
Yeah.
Good. That's it. And you should get all those little breadcrumbs.
Yeah.
All right, y'all. It wasn't barely any because the wax is amazing. We knew it was gonna pick up on the first time, but that's it, guys. Waxing with Niecy Poo number 2, child.
The oil will take this wax off.
Yeah, the oil will take the wax off. Yep, it absolutely will. And that's it. We are nice and clean, ready for Thanksgiving, and maybe she'll do my legs. Maybe. Thanks for watching, y'all. Bye. Say bye, Niecy Poo.
Bye.